Good morning. Please
Before you
use the mic.
continue, Senator Cayetano, just a reminder, you're testifying under the same oath, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, let's take off from the testimony of Engineer Hechanova. He testified that there is rigging in the bidding and awards committee or BAC of the city of Makati. And in fact, ang testimonya nila ay kalakaran or SOP ito, no? For the record, were you ever chairman of the BAC of Makati?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
Okay. And one of the testimonies of Engineer Hechanova is that when you bidded out emergency equipment, meron pong kinulong sa elevator para lang po hindi makapag-testify. I don't know who from the city of Makati or the spokesman of the Vice President issued a statement that that never happened. But since you are the back chairperson, may I know from you, did that happen or not?
Wala po akong alam doon sa sinasabi ni Engineer Hechanova na may ikinulong daw. Wala po akong alam doon.
Sige po.
Testimony niya po yon last hearing.
So wala po kayong alam na nakulong sa elevator. How about naipit sa elevator kaya hindi nakapag-bid?
Your Honor, wala po ko ang alam as far as I am concerned. Pag nagbibidding po, dumidiretso ako sa opisina ng ni Engineer Hechanova dahil doon po ginagawa yung bidding ng City of Makati.
May I ask the staff to put on the screen the letter dated May 17, 2007 to the chairman of the Bids and Awards Committee. Ma'am, you were the chairman of the Awards of Committees May 17, 2007.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, can we project the letter onto the screen?
They're just setting it up, Mr. Chairman. This is just to establish, whether or not the testimony of Engineer Hechanova is incredible or credible, whether it is reliable or not. And in the last hearing, Mr. Chair, for the record, I asked him if he knew the person na inipit sa elevator, pero sabi ko wag niyang ibigay yung pangalan because we are getting reports that the potential witnesses and some contractors are getting calls not to testify or are getting threats. No? May I ask while we're producing the document on the screen to the present city administrator, sir, have you or any of the people under you, under your or Mayor Junjun or the Vice President orders, been calling contractors and threatening them or asking them not to testify?
As far as I know, Your Honor, wala po.
Okay, you're under oath,
Yes, Your
Administrator.
Honor.
Okay, thank
I
you.
am. Thank you po.
Ito po, ma'am, ang letter. Duly received po to ng inyong opisina. Sa paragraph 1 po, we were at Makati City Hall at 12:53 a.m. for the conduct of bidding scheduled at 2 p.m. We entered elevator B at Makati City Hall to go to the 9th floor, and elevator B got stuck somewhere close to the 7th floor, Makati City Hall. Personnel were not able to get passengers out of the elevator until 1:55 after lowering the elevator back to the ground floor. As a result, we arrived at the 9th floor office accompanied by Makati City Clinic personnel and rescue personnel to submit our bids at 2:02, etc. No? This letter was addressed to you. Bakit po sabi nyo kanina wala kayong alam, meron naman po sulat pala na nagkwekwento sa inyo?
Your Honor, please, I would like to refer to the other documents because I was appointed administrator, I think, in July 2007, and at present, I am no longer connected with the city government of Makati. Just to refresh my memory, if the appointment, it was July? July po ang appointment ko. I was asking the
So who was the back chairman, ma'am? Because kanina tinanong ko po kayo, May 17, 2007, pasensya na po kayo. Pero sinagot niyo po kasi ako na kayo ang chairman ng back
I'm
nun.
sorry po, Your Honor, kasi inano ko lang yung dates po.
So sino ma'am ang chairman ng back nun?
According to our city attorney, si Mr. Santiago pa ho daw yun.
Okay.
So I just want to refresh my memory because hindi ko po maalala lahat.
So sino
lahat
po
yun.
nag-issue sa statement sa media na walang ganitong nangyari? Was it the present city administrator Mendoza?
No, Your Honor, I did not issue any statement relative to that.
So is anyone from the Makati City Hall now denying that this happened? Go ahead, the legal officer, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am the head of the law department, and during that time when the supposed letter was issued, I was a member of the Bids and Awards Committee. And Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, there is no such incident
Yes,
until now, Your Honor.
but the letter was not addressed to the members of the BAC, but the chairperson. Did the chairperson share this letter with you?
I do not remember, Your Honor,
Okay.
having tackled
Okay.
that matter.
So you're not in a position to say that it did or did not happen, but to your knowledge, you do not know of any incident.
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
that's correct.
Mr. Chairman, at this point, may we call a Mr. Lichauco, no? He will make his own introduction, and the relevance is that he was the supplier who wanted to bid, who was trapped into the elevator. He's here in the building, and while the staff is calling him, Mr. Chair,
Let's call Mr. Lichauco to the
while he's being called
to the
Mr. Chair,
stand.
to save time, Mr. Canlas, as president of the corporation, and you've done a lot of beautiful buildings all around the country, you're familiar with the building code, is that correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am De Vera, you're also familiar with the building code.
I have to admit, alam ko po merong building code. As far as I'm concerned, hindi ko po alam lahat ang nasa sa loob because I'm not an engineer, Your Honor. So hindi ko kailangan na alamin lahat yun na
Yes.
kung anong
No,
napapaloob doon
I will
po.
not quiz you on it, ma'am, but you do know that under the building code, there is a penal provision. Ito po, babasahin ko sa inyo.
Okay,
I
Your
will
Honor.
also ask Mr. Canlas. No? It shall be unlawful for any person, firm, or corporation to erect, construct, enlarge, alter, repair, improve, remove, convert, demolish, equip, use, occupy, or maintain any building or structure or cause the same to be done contrary to or in violation of any provision of this code. Any person, firm, or corporation who shall violate any provision of this code and or commit any act hereby declared to be unlawful shall upon conviction be punished by a fine of not more than 20,000 pesos or by imprisonment of not more than 2 years or both such fine and imprisonment, provided that in the case of the corporation, firm, partnership, association, the penalty shall be imposed upon its officials responsible for such violation, and in case of the guilty parties and alien, he shall immediately be deported after payment of fine and or service of sentence. No? Are you aware of this, Mr. Canlas?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true, Mr. Canlas, that you were the one who applied for the building permit for the Makati City building, Makati parking building?
Pa-check ko lang po, hindi ko po alam kung talagang kami po yung nag-apply noon, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am De Vera, kayo
Yes,
po ang
sir.
nakapirma sa building permit.
Opo, as acting city administrator, I was, but I have to check, Your Honor, kung ano pong date yon
Okay.
para to be sure. Mahirap po sabihin
Ma'am,
kung hindi
pirma-
ko matitingnan yung
Sige
records po.
Ma'am, pirma lang ba kayo ng pirma kahit na hindi nyo tinitignan yung pinipirmahan nyo?
Tinitingnan ko naman po, Your Honor, kasi dumadaan po din yon sa engineering, lahat po yung proseso, pagkuha ng permit, and other permits for that matter po. Hindi lang po sa building.
So while
Permit.
it is acceptable to me na hindi mo natitignan yung buong libro kung anong ilalagay sa building permit, siguro obvious naman po na kung ano nakalagay sa form, kailangan i-fill out.
Kailangan po, kung ang
Okay.
form nandoon po, kailangan siguro po, i-fill upan po yon. Para
Okay.
po.
Back to Mr. Canlas, sir. meron pong Section 302, application for permits, isa po doon, estimated cost of the proposed work. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And even if by pace ang inyong kontrata, you know the estimate of the whole project before you start the project, hindi po ba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Kapag ka binigay po sa inyo ng architect, hindi ba po for the whole building, hindi lang sa isang phase?
Hindi po ganun po yon, Your Honor. Basta't po yung kung ano lang po yung sinasad ng tinetender namin, doon lang po kami, pangalan po nito, nagsisiruin po doon sa bidding namin.
So you mean, sir, as the winner for the first phase and then eventually lahat, there was no original plan of the whole building presented to you?
Wala po, Your Honor.
And as a builder in the private sector, you do not find that surprising?
Sa gobyerno po kasi, Your Honor, halos phase by phase po ang trabaho na...
That's true, Your Honor. That's true, Mr. Canlas. But I've asked around, and the DPWH is here. They will show you the whole project, then they will chop according to phases in accordance with magkano ang kaya. But they will never show you just a phase. If they show you just phase 1, malay mo kung 2, 3, 4 basements or gaano kalaki yung pundasyon. How do you know how much foundation you will build if you do not know if it's a 20-story or a 40-story?
Hindi po ganon, Your Honor. Talaga pong phase by phase po yung...
Well, isn't it true, Mr. Canlas, that pag lumampas ka ng 4 floors, iba na yon kasi kailangan mo ng elevator? Tama ho ba yan?
Usually po...
Hindi ba totoo, Mr. Canlas, na after 20 floors, iba din po ang configuration ng structural? Pipilahin ko po dito lahat ng ibang general contractors. Mapapaya po kayo sa sasagot nila. Because it is not only usual, it is standard to see the whole project. So let me go to my main question because I think Mr. Lichauco is...
Interject something. Engineer Canlas. So, ito for the record lang, factual, no? Noong nag-bid kayo sa phase 1, yung scope of work, alam ninyo, doon sa binibid ninyo. Doon po sa tender na binigay po sa amin, nakalagay po yung scope of work. Right, sir. May mga plano po doon, right? May mga drawings, may mga ganon. Description drawings, okay. Pero, for the record lang po ito, no? When you bidded for phase 1, wala kayong nakitang final look ng building na gagawin ninyo. Or na ginagawa ninyo yung foundation for. You knew it was for a building. Definitely, di ba? But yung itsura ng building, yung final look ng building, wala kayong planong nakita before you bidded for phase 1. Yung pong nakita lang po namin ay yung pong binigay po na kinuha namin na plano na kung saan po yung scope of work. So nakatuon lang po doon sa plano na kinuha namin na mayroong scope of work.
And phase 1 is foundation.
Opo, Your Honor.
So alam ninyo, you were building a foundation for a building. Pero yung itsura ng building na kung saan yung foundation gagawin ninyo, hindi nyo po nakita. Nung nagbibid kayo sa phase 1. Tama po ba yun?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Senator Cayetano.
Mr. Canlas, before I show you the building permit, ito ba design and build to or build lang? Kayo ba nag-design ito?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Built lang po.
So, ibig sabihin, may gumawa ng design ng buong building.
Meron po, Your Honor.
And you don't find it unusual na hindi nyo hiningi yung design ng buong building bago nyo pagbidan yung phase 1?
Hindi po, dahil po dun sa scope namin, halos structural work lang po eh.
Okay.
Structural work lang po eh.
Anyway, I'll go to that later. Can we have on the screen the...
Another interjection. Pero, sir, yung mga drawings for the structural work, definitely nanggaling po yun sa drawings for the entire structure. Ano sa tingin ninyo? Tama po ba yun?
Siguro po, hindi ako po sigurado, Your Honor, pero po yung binigay pong scope sa amin, yun lang po yung ginagawa namin.
Oo nga, precisely. What does logic tell you na kung meron drawings for a structure, siguro naman subset yun or part yun ng drawings or plans for the entire structure. Ano sa tingin nyo?
Ganun na nga po yun, Your Honor, pero po...
yung point of view ninyo, kaya when you bidded, yun lang. Yun lang po. Klaro na po yun, pero kinaklaro ko lang kasi hindi ako engineer, pero parang strange na hindi nyo nakita yung buong... But definitely, ang pakiramdam nyo may plano siguro for the entire structure. By the time you bidded for phase 1, dapat ba in the usual course of things, meron ng plano for the entire structure?
Sa tingin ko po, yung po sa amin, basta po, Your Honor, talagang hanggang doon lang po kami talaga doon sa scope of work na binibigay eh. Yung phase 1 lang po talagang tinender namin eh.
Opo, klaro na po sa akin yun. Pero, well, kinukuha ko lang yung professional opinion ninyo na theoretically speaking ba na
Meron
kasi definitely nanggaling yan. That is a portion, a section, or a subset of a bigger plan. What do you think, Engineer?
Meron pong mga sitwasyon na kami na napagdaanan. Kumisan po, sasabihin ng may-ari o engineer, gagawin natin itong proyektong to, pero sa ngayon, ganito lang muna ang pera natin.
Correct.
So, pero meron na kaming kabuuang plano.
Correct.
Ngayon, pwede bang estimatein mo na ng buo yan at sasabihin namin sa iyo kung ano lang ang pwedeng kaya ng pera namin. Meron pong mga sitwasyon na gano'n, Your Honor.
Ama pa yun, pero meron ng overall plan. Kasi
Meron po,
foundation yun eh. Yun ang pinaka-critical sa lahat. Eh. Hindi kayo pwedeng magkamali sa foundation. Yung pala, ang ginagawa ninyong building eh, hindi tugma sa foundation. Tama po ba yun?
hindi na po namin alam yon. Basta po ang alam namin do sa phase 1 kung ano man po yun po talaga ang tinender namin. Your Honor.
Basta klaro po, hindi nyo nakita. Basta klaro, ang Hillmarks, hindi nyo po nakita yung entire plan for the entire structure when you bidded for phase 1. Klaro
Opo, Your Honor.
Sige pa. Okay, Chairman, thank you.
Let me show you, Mr.
Senator
Chair,
Trillanes,
that not
with
only...
your permission. Senator Trillanes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Let me remind Engineer Canlas that you're under oath. At hindi kami magpapaloko rito. So you have to straighten out your stories.
Opo, Your Honor.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you for the reminder. I think all
Sir.
witnesses know that, no? That's the implication of the oath that you have
Yes.
taken. Okay,
Mr.
so,
Chair,
Senator
let
Cayetano.
me point out and prove to this committee and to everyone watching na totally ridiculous ang testimony ni Mr. Canlas, and not only ridiculous but illegal, no? Because the building code of the Philippines, which is the builder's Bible, no? Kumbaga may 10 commandments ang mga Christians at saka may golden rule and 2 rules na bigay ni Lord Jesus. Ito naman po ang dapat sinusunod. At by the way, Mr. Chair, this is the minimum. Many cities has regulations over and above the building code. Ito po nakalagay sa section 303, no? In processing an application for building permit, the building official shall see to it that the applicant satisfies and conforms with approved standards, requirements for zoning, land use, lines, grades, structural design, sanitary and sewerage, environmental health, electrical, mechanical, safety, as well as other rules and regulations promulgated according with the provision of this code. By the way, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, Section 301 building permit includes any agency or instrumentality of the government, no? So hindi po exempted ang gobyerno sa pagtatayo po nito. Tignan po natin yung pinirmahan po ni Mr. Canlas na building permit. Mr. Canlas, can you confirm that that is your signature? Mr. Chairman, for the record, I have given Mr. Canlas a copy. And for the record, it is the City of Makati that submitted that document to us. I did not produce that myself. It is a submission of the City of Makati. So if you tell me it is a fake, you're telling me that the City of Makati submitted a fake to us. So is it your signature, Mr. Canlas?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Okay. Ano po niyo masasabi sa...
Mr. Canlas is referring to box number 7. Tama, Mr. Canlas? Not the one which we can see on the screen. That's box number 6. Box number 7 is covered by that grayish shade. Tama po, box number
Opo,
7.
Your Honor.
Sige po. Sige po, continue.
So, Mr. Canlas, you left blank everything that, Mr. Chairman, may I borrow your copy? You left blank everything that the law requires to be specified. Box 3A, total estimate cost, building, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, and other costs. Cost of equipment installed. Number of stories, nilagyan yun 10. No? Paano mo po alam na 10 stories kung wala ka pala ng plano ng buo? Sabi nyo, phase 1 lang structural. Sa phase 1 ba kasama na 10 floors? Hindi po.
Hindi po. Siguro po yung pong nagpapirma sa amin, yun pong alam nila na 10 floors po yun. Pero as far as we are concerned po talaga, phase 1 lang po eh.
Ano pong nagpapirma sa inyo? Kayo po ang nag-file nito, hindi sila. Kayo po ang builder. Ang magbibuild ang nagpa-file ng building permit. Kayo po ang pumirma dito bilang architect, civil engineer in charge of construction specification. In charge. In charge po. So pag nilagay nyo na 10, umaasa ang gobyerno na GIS ito. Tapos sa testimony mo ngayon, pinirmahan mo 10 pero hindi mo na maalam na 10.
Pinirmahan ko po yun, Your Honor. Pero po, ang talaga pong totoo doon ay yung pong phase 1 lang po ang alam namin. Kung meron pong nailagay po dyan na 10 floors.
So nagsinungaling po kayo dito?
Hindi po, kasi po, paano
hindi,
ko po...
nilagay nyo po 10 eh. So either totoo to o hindi. So for the record, sir, is 10 floors the truth when you fill this up or it's not the truth?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ikaw pumirma, hindi mo alam kung totoo o hindi. Sino may alam? Kayo po pumirma, Mr. Canlas, engineer, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor. Pero po, yung pong naglalagay dyan, kung sino po yung arkitekto, siya pong maglalagay po dito.
Opo, pero kayo po ang pumirma sa ilalim. Ibig sabihin, payag kayo dito eh. So, ibig sabihin, kung nilagay ng arkitekto dito, 100 floors, pipirmahan mo to? May Pilipinas 101 na pa tayo, katulad ng Taiwan 101?
Opo, hindi po talaga pong pinirma ko to. Hindi ko po siya inaano, Your Honor. Pero po, ang talagang, paano ko po malalaman yung 10 floors? Ang binid ko lang po phase 1.
Bakit ba't nyo pinirmahan? So, ganun pala kayo sa inyong kumpanya, sa Hillmarks. Pirma na lang kayo ng pirma ng lahat ng building permit. Basta't kumita kayo, makuha nyo, bahala na si Batman, ganon.
Hindi po ganon, Your Honor.
Bakit nyo pinirmahan na hindi nyo naman pala alam kung ilang floor? O hindi ba ho ang pundasyon, depende din po kung gaano kataas at yung floor area, yung CFA? Hindi ho ba? Sa front page po, ayan po. Can we go to the other slide, no? Nakalagay kung institutional, school, church, hospital, welfare theater, 10-story parking building. Tapos with 1 basement. Sino sumulat po niyan? Ayan po. May handwriting.
Yung pong ganon, Your Honor, ang Opo.
Sir, pakisagot muna. Sino sumulat niyan? Kayo? Pwede ko ipa-handwriting expert po yan, ha?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Ma'am De Vera, sino po kayo po ang nakapirma dito eh?
Sa ano ko, sir, perma ko po.
Sino po ang sumulat niyan?
Yung sa perma po?
Opo.
Ako po. Parang signature ko. It appears to be my
Opo, ma'am.
signature, Your
Pero
Honor.
yung pong 10-story parking building, sino po sumulat?
Hindi, it's not my signature, Your Honor.
Okay.
At pag mga ganyan po, dumadaan po sa mga subordinates
So,
engineering.
habit nyo ba, ma'am, na pumirma ng building permit na walang laman?
As far as I can remember, Your Honor, may mga attachments po yun eh. Yung sa ano,
Ma'am, kayo nag-submit nito at saka hindi naman attachment ang hinihingi dito. Nakalagay, proposed date of construction. But attachment pa, isusulat lang dyan eh. Kung 9/11/14, total floor area. Alam naman yan from the start kung 32,000 square meter. Dito po sa ibang mga cost. Yung attachment po, yung justification nito. Bago umabot dito. Pero papakitaan ko kayo ng kahit anong building permit sa lahat ng city sa Metro Manila, fini-fill outan to lahat. So, ibig sabihin ho ba, nung umpisa pa lang ng inyong bidding at yung umpisa pa lang nitong building permit, alam nyo nang lokohan tong building na to?
As far as I know, sir, wala naman lokohan po. If you will allow me to
ahead,
refer that to the engineering. Kasi po, bago po ko pumirma.
Yes, ma'am. Pero kaya kayo, tinatanong ko, dahil pumirma kayo,
Opo.
and patay na po si si Engineer Morales.
Opo.
'Di ba?
Patay.
So, hindi ko siya matatanong, siya po ang nakapirma dito.
Clarify natin sa Senator Cayetano. Time ba ni Engineer Morales po ito? Siya po yung city engineer?
Yes.
Thank you po.
Yes,
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Chairman. And may I clarify, while it is true that the last to sign can rely on signatures before them, it is their obligation to check that kumpleto lahat. In this case, walang laman Walang nakalagay So, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, tanong natin sa engineering, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, bahala na si Batman, kasi blanco lahat. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, because Mr. Lichauco is here, can I ask him to take the whole thing? Can I go back to Hillmarks and on this issue later on? But just so that we can
Okay,
excuse
we'll go
Mr.
back to
Lichauco.
Hillmarks because I also want to ask a question.